Hello everybody, and welcome to our first introductory video here at ROI Forecast channel. My name is Rafael. I'm the founder and chief market analyst of ROI Forecast. This is something that I was planning to start in the last couple of months. Obviously now things have developed in that way that allowed me to get started from now, which is good. And in this video, basically, we are going to see what is our aim, what we are going to provide, and where we want to go in the future. This is not going to be a service for everybody, but this is going to be for the people that really want to learn and they really want to work in a professional manner in terms of navigating the complexities of the financial markets of today. It's going to be based on multiple key factors that affect the recent market trends and behavior, and it's not what most of you may have seen so far. So it's going to be something unique and something that you will definitely be able to get a lot of value from it and really understand certain situations of the market that for the vast majority of traders they are still confused and they don't know how certain things work, and they always look for where to blame it, and they don't really focus on educating themselves. So this is for the people that they really want to educate themselves and move forward in the right direction. So a few things of who I am and my some of my background. I have studied basically maritime studies. I got the bachelor's degree, which covered many things, including ship management, logistics, financing, and stuff like that, legal. During those years, I figured out that this was not something that really interests me to carry on in the future, because I found certain things to be, let's say, boring or repetitive. So I wanted to challenge myself and find something which was going to be much more interesting and something that keeps me energized on a week-to-week basis. At the same time, in the last couple of years, I have had some extensive experience in how sports, especially football betting markets, work in terms of how the odds are being modeled, and how bookmakers, for example, they calculate their margins based on the expected value, risk management, and stuff like that. At the same time, I have I have extensive brokerage industry backgrounds from 2019 until to date. So I really do know and understand many things as I have worked in the industry, and certain things that the vast majority of the retail traders are not aware of, and it's something that we're planning to do also more educational material on those, because many of the retail traders, they really are in the wrong places, and the few of them that manage to progress, they need to be on the right place, so that they can be supported in terms of proper brokerage with good liquidity and transparency and stuff like that. But this is not something we're gonna have a look on this video. Then I started my market analysis modeling from 2020 until now. I have obviously in the beginning I started experimenting on my own. Then I was following certain educational content. Then I found it to be unreliable. I also had experience working with a firm. So really, the reason why I'm starting this is that I have developed my own way, combining many of the models out there that I have personally found to be more accurate and reliable, and to avoid many of the mistakes that a lot of services out there keep doing. Of course, nothing is 100% in forecasting the market. However, it's really important that we can minimize the errors and the mistakes that many of the services out there are doing. And there are ways that you can minimize those, but obviously this is not something many people, let's say, are willing to work on because it takes time. So what I'm going to offer now, it's not something that I have figured out over the last month. It's something that took me a lot of days, hours, sacrificing a lot of things in my personal life, so I could be able to combine everything together into one and seeing certain key aspects of the market and change things and really understood in a lot of detail how they work. So yeah, so I have started now from 2024. You can find all of our social links in the description, including my profile on LinkedIn for those who want. And we're gonna see in the next slides what we are going to provide. So what do we offer and what is our mission? So in this slide, as you can see, first of all, on the right side, this is the instrument list that we are going to offer. So during my live sessions for the premium members, you will be able to have access to detailed analysis of any of those instruments. On the standard plan, the live sessions are not included. More of these details will be included in the next section, where we're going to discuss how you can join the membership as of now. It's basically an advanced market analysis and forecasting modeling, as I said. This will help you to understand how the market reacts to certain cycles and dynamics, understanding how you can stack the odds in your favor, okay, and how you are planning for the next big move of the market. There's going to be mentoring through the live sessions, so I will be able to answer many of your questions. I will be able to give you more in-depth details as to certain things you can avoid and why and what are the consequences and so on and so forth. So this is something that is going to take you some time to understand and develop, but the value you are going to have in the future is so massive that you will understand exactly where we're coming from. I am also offering a trusted broker cashback program through One Royale. I will have another section for that. And there's going to be upcoming podcasts and seminars from my side and our channel, so in the near future. So you're going to stay tuned for that as well. Now, for which people the service is going to be for, which is going to be the suitable audience. Obviously, like I said before, this service is not for everyone. Okay, so you will see now why. This is for any retail traders that they have at least 6 to 1 year of trading experience, because they need to know how they can open trades, how they can use, let's say, stop losses, how they can manage certain things. So basic trading knowledge is required to join this service. This is not for a complete beginner. Even though we can do some educational videos for beginners for free on the channel, but this is a service that you really need to have some trading experience at least. It can be also for professional traders, institutional or investors as well. Now, this is only for the ones that are willing to take their market and trading knowledge to the next level. They are willing to understand and learn the true value behind the service, and this is not for the gambling retail traders or impatient people, because this is not going to be one of those typical signal services out there that people are just gambling and they are not really serious for their trading. There's gonna be trade recommendations or setups, but they are not for signals. Again, this is to provide an understanding of the concept and how how basically the market moves and how the big orders are executed and how the market reacts after that. Again, this is not a retail trader signal service. It's not for people with the wrong expectations. There is no overnight success. You need to have some patience and you need to be willing to learn in real detail here and understand the future value of this service and how it can help you to unlock your true potential as an investor or a trader and how you can manage risk efficiently. So as I said earlier, we are going to start our memberships through BMC, Buy Me a Coffee service. This is just a starting point. Many things will be changing in the future. So as of now, the memberships are offered through BMC. You can find the link in the description of this video, how you can join. I am giving free trial access for 2 weeks, which it could be extended to another week depending on the situation. For the first 30 members that will join, so it's only €1 as a trial. Then the standard and premium plans are listed in the memberships through the link in the description, so you can check them out. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email or a comment in the video. Is going to include basically a weekly market report overview. On this report, we break down the market from the core down to the rest of the instruments. It will show you where do we stand in the bigger picture, what is the most probable path the market can take, and what could be the alternative path as well, with obviously the highest probability one being indicated as the priority, let's say, move of the market. This will basically help you to have a roadmap when you're trading, which specific trades you can avoid. Let's say which cases of the market you should be more patient, and this will help you to minimize your losses and the mistakes you are doing as a trader, in order to help you focus on the real and the bigger movement that is coming ahead, and give you a better risk to reward trade scenario than you are usually getting so far. With this, we will include a video. So not only a report, you're gonna receive a members-only weekly market overview video for, over the weekend, which we will explain through the video the things we discuss on the report and a little bit more. You will receive also 1 to 4 monthly/quarterly trade setups. The reason why I'm saying quarterly is because sometimes in a specific month we may not have sufficient, let's say, opportunities of the market. So on that month you may receive maybe one recommendation, stuff like that. So usually we are looking for 1 to 4 trade setup recommendations on a monthly or quarterly level. Those trade setups is not what you are normally used to. They have a higher risk to reward ratio. We are targeting much more pips than the usual services you may have seen so far, in order for us to be more efficient as a trader and investors. And then it's going to be live analysis sessions between Monday to Thursday. Those will be about 4:30 to 5 p.m. starting time GMT. So it can accommodate the vast majority of UK, Europe, US and Canada. There's going to be also a priority email support for the members if you have any questions along the way. And as I said, there are future plans. In the future, when we are ready, we are looking to migrate to a website, professional website, which we're going to have everything listed there. We're going to have a support team. We may look to hire the right analysts for added value to the service, and if the situation allows, we may also have sessions based on the client's time zone. Whether you are in Asia, Europe, US or Canada, there might be 2 or 3 sessions in a day in the future for the future service development, but as of now, we will stick to what we have through Buy Me a Coffee until we are ready to move forward to the bigger plans for the future. And lastly, on the last slide, I would like to mention what is, let's say, my approach and philosophy towards analyzing the market. With a time frame breakdown, this is something that is very crucial for any trader to understand. How many candles are actually on each time frame? As you can see, on the monthly candles, we have 12 in a year. On the weekly, we have 52, 365 on the daily, and so on and so forth for the rest of the time frames. As you can see, the lower the time frame gets, the more candles we have. Thus, we are increasing the risk and we are increasing the margin of error the lower the time frame we are looking to trade and analyze. So that's why in our service we are not the typical retail trading services, which they do tend to focus on the low time frames. And you already know the results that these people are getting. Like I said, we are a professional service, so we are looking at the bigger picture and we analyze the market according to that. And this will give us, let's say, the right setups at the right time that they will allow us to enter and how we can plan to exit the market ahead. Now, how you can join our membership, it's very simple. Through the link below, through BMC, okay, you will go on memberships. Then you will come down here. For example, this is an account that has, let's say, the premium service. Okay, so you can see what we offer on the premium service right here. All right, and then if you go down, you will also find the standard plan, which will give you what we provide with the standard plan. And for the first 30 members, as we said, we are giving €1 2-week trial, okay, which the trial will give you access to the premium plan right here. All the features on the premium plan, you will receive them with a trial for 2 weeks. This can be extended to a third week. We will see how it goes for the beginning. This is just for the first 30 people that they are really serious and they want to learn how what is the value that we are going to provide, and then obviously after the trial anybody can switch to a standard or a premium plan. The biggest value is going to be the premium plan, which will give you basically anything you really need, including the live sessions, which those will be the ones that they will allow you to learn certain things in a much more efficient and faster way. And consequently, it will help you to minimize trading mistakes and increase your risk to reward, let's say, ratio and efficiency when you trade. So with that note, I'll see you in the next video. I will be uploading the free YouTube market analysis forecast tomorrow. Today, the members that already signed up will be receiving the weekly market report and the members only weekly market overview video. So stay tuned for the next video, and have a good weekend everybody, and hopefully I'll see you in the service and help you to become a better trader.